Hello YouTube audience. On my shoulder I have a kitten who has become healthy after being really sick. He came to live with us a week ago. Poor little guy is just so tired. Oh, come on Mason, you okay? Time to wake up, buddy. Come on, meow meow. Let's go play, or at least eat. You want to eat? Oh, I think he needs to sleep some more. Oh, this is breaking my heart. He'll improve. I have confidence. Poor little guy. Coda is so concerned. Look at that. Mason's inside the kennel, and Coda's like, dude, what's up? Why don't you come out and play? Baby Mason. You're so cute, baby Mason boy. Yes. I hope you're feeling better soon. This ear is still infected, but we keep trying to clear it out. And even Coda keeps trying to lick his ear to get it cleaned up. Well, he's healing. There he goes. He's really tired. So Coda's like, dude, wake up. He keeps trying to get him to get up and play. He wants to pick him up. Coda, he wants to sleep. You can leave him there. Okay guys, I'm very encouraged. For the first time in 48 hours, this little kitten, after being sick, has now started eating his food for the first time in 48 hours. Okay, Mason just discovered Angry Birds. He looks past the computer screen and behind it. He's like, where did that bird go? It scared him. You going to bed now? You're going to your pad? Your iPad? Ha ha ha. And he's having a dream too. Oh, he woke up. But he's going night-night now. He's getting all sleepy. But his fever broke. I don't feel a fever anymore. So all the good care is coming through. And he ate a good amount of food tonight, so I'm pretty happy. Nice kitty. That tickles. Yeah, that's a good boy. But here he's kind of mousing around now for the first time in about 50 hours. Oh, that's a good website, by the way. A good YouTube site. Shameless plug for myself. Okay, so off we go. The cat's feeling better, although I think he'll still need a lot of rest. And we're going to make sure he gets that. But oh, look at that. Coda's like, oh, get better, little guy. We're going garage sailing this morning, people. Want to go along? Find some stuff. There's a garage sale. Saturday mornings are a bummer though, because they're already all picked over, because people start on Wednesdays and Thursdays. We're thrifting this morning. Going to a garage sale. Life is fun when you go to a garage sale.
Refrancing things.
Yeah, it's always fun to go to a garage sale. Especially a big one like this. I've never seen this many books. I mean, the boxes aren't even opened yet. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. That is amazing.
Winter comes and goes. I love it.
For decor?
Uh-huh.
Winter goes in Minnesota? It doesn't feel like it. It's July and it's like going to be 64 on Monday.
Carry that separately. I don't know. I don't want to break it for you.
Benjamin?
That's mine?
Thank you.
Alright, I
He
get
wants
something
a
too.
deal on the shoe.
So which bike did you take a picture of?
Oh, the seat on that one.
Oh, that one.
Doesn't that look like that might be more comfortable? And it looks newer. It didn't come with the bike.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah.
No.
I'd get this if it wasn't so huge. But I don't really need it. I like it though. More garage sales. Woohoo, it's a good day. Okay guys, I've had several people ask, where's Leo? Here's Leo. Leo lives with my daughter and my son-in-law. They got married and have their own place here. So Leo is king of his own castle here at their house. And Leo does not live with us now because he is Kelly's cat. And he's here to say hi to you. He's rubbing up against the camera. Hi, Leo. Leo is a big, strong guy. Confident, athletic. Oh, he heard the dog. That's what it is. Sadie's out in the garage whimpering like a little baby. So this is Leo. This is the little kitten that's in our other videos when he met our cat and our dog back a few years ago, about a year and a half ago. He's a beautiful tabby. Well-mannered.
Jarvis too.
Oh yes, we should introduce him to Jarvis. Leo, show us where your fish is. Haven't you eaten the fish yet? How do you feed it? Fish named Jarvis, anyway. Leo, you're gorgeous. You're a handsome kitty. This would be our grandfish. Place one white shell and sprinkle some. Did you feed him?
I did.
Hi, Jarvis. Are you a boy or are you a girl? You're a fish. That's all I know. You're a big fish, too. He's singing. What is he singing? Jarvis is singing. He sings back up. He goes ball, 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 ball. He's singing the back up to, oh, when the night is come and the land is done. He's doing ball, 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 ball. Stand or swim by me. Oh, oh, swim by me. She's got to get a picture of her grandfish. You're going to get a selfie of the fish? Oh my goodness. You want to come sit with me? Yes, you're more fun than Angry Birds. By far. There's a good kitty. Hi. Coming for your evening snuggles? My fear is he's getting very used to perching on my shoulder and sitting on my chest. So, what is he going to do when he weighs 10 to 15 pounds? This little guy came to us last week, and we all fell in love with him. The cat, our bigger cat, fell in love with him. Sadie loves him. Alright, so from the Frosty Life peoples, we're going to sign off for now and go take care of our kitten. Get some groceries. I've been neglecting some things around the house, like cleaning, as you can see. Bye.
We were meant to be magical. We were meant to be free.
Maybe you guys will become friends and then you can wrestle later. Hey, don't do that. We're trying to vlog here. Hey, I'm vlogging here.